Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to group tasks in ClickUp. This is really simple. First step you'll have to do is to choose which tasks are you wanting to group. So let's select this one and this one. I want to group these two tasks, so in order to do that I will have to click on Customize right here. It will drop this menu for me when I have the option to group. So click it and you can group by status, assignee, priority, tags, due date, task type. So choose how you want to group it, and you can also do it ascending or descending, so choose it as well. And also group by list. As you can see, you can simply do it like so. So it is grouped by list, and now it is not grouped by list. It's really simple. So pick whatever you want and it will group however you would like to see it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.